Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. JV, Mr. Spice. And as you can see, I have a piece of salmon and I have some pasta. And I'm gonna show you today how to make basil pasta and a basil pesto salmon. No, yeah, I said that wrong. Pesto pasta and a pesto salmon. And basil is how you make pesto. So that's the pesto. And that is pretty much pine nuts, pesto, garlic, and Parmesan cheese. That we'll save that for another video. Saute pan, grill, because I'm gonna grill the salmon while showing you how to make the pasta. All right, so first, check it out. Got the salmon right here, right? Got some oil, right? And I'm just gonna take some of the pesto, throw it on there like that. Nice amount. And I'm gonna take the oil and pour it over. Just like that. And that's a chili oil, so you know, if you're not with the spice, then I don't know really what to tell you, but that's how I rock. So we're just gonna massage the pesto into the salmon, just like that, right? Just like that. Get it nice and incorporated. And there we go. It's pretty much good. This salmon, what I had, you know, some regular salt, pepper on it already with some garlic powder and onion powder and things like that. And then now just the pesto. So after you had it like this, nice and coated, let's take it to the grill. And we're gonna put it presentation side down. So here we go, to the grill. Grill is preheated. This is a Foreman grill that I have indoors for when I do what I do. So I'm gonna show you how this is gonna be finished cooking by the time we finish doing the pasta. And all we're gonna do is flip it over and that'll be done. All right, so now let's go to right here. And let me show you now how to do the pasta. Preheated pan. Good portion of pasta. Right? I'll take some butter. Nice amount of butter. We're not worried about calories. Just like that. Get the butter nice and melted in the pan. After the butter is melted in the pan, let's go now with, let's put the pasta, right? We want to put some pepper, fresh cracked of course, good amount. We're not going to add any salt because the butter has salt and we have some Parmesan cheese that we're going to put in there. So now, let's put the pesto. Let's put a nice amount, depending on how, you know, how much you like or you don't like. So I'll put like 2 spoonfuls. And let's throw some Parmesan cheese just to start. And all we're gonna do is get that nice and incorporated. We have to turn the salmon over. So let me show you that real quick. There's the salmon. All we're doing is just like that. Go back to the pasta. Sorry about that. And we have a nice medium heat on the pasta. And we're just gonna mix it together, nice. I had the pasta room temperature, nothing crazy. Just getting it nice and together, that's all we're doing. And when it's fully hot, it'll be ready to go. So make sure we got it right. Let's turn up the heat a little. So let's make sure Okay, see, it's looking good. It's looking good. Nice little pesto pasta. Pasta now is of your choice. I have some spiral pasta, but you know, it's of your choice. I've been rocking with this pasta lately with mac and cheese and rasta pastas because I just like the uniqueness to it. And then when I sell food to customers, and when I sell it to customers and they get this is not an everyday pasta. So that's why I've been using it. That's why I'm using it now. You know, just things that are unique to myself, so to say. All right, so this is almost good. Stir it a little more. We want to put a little bite into it, so let's put a little more Parmesan cheese. And you should get some red pepper flakes. Why not? Okay, so red pepper flakes, as many as you want. Okay. Another quick toss. Nice and simple and easy, but you know, unique at the same time. So that's what we're aiming for. I only do videos when I feel they are unique. So that's why I don't do them as often, and that's why when I do them, I'm very comfortable with what I do because I feel I'm bringing something to the table. Okay, so the salmon is almost there. Just gonna put it on the side real quick. Actually, let me show you. So it's almost there. Nice. I'll put it on the side real quick. Let's go on that side. It's almost cooked. Almost cooked. And then by the time now we flash it on the other side, it'll be good. So we're just gonna do that for a minute on that side, and then a minute on the other side, and the salmon's gonna be done. Pasta's good, we're gonna turn it off. Gonna get that plate ready. Famous white plate. Putting the salmon now on the other side. And the salmon will be done in 1 minute. So we're gonna first, let me start plating the pasta. So let me just show you a little angle so I can do that. Boom. So just want to put the pasta in the middle of the plate, like so. Just like so. Right? Now all we're gonna do, put a nice little heap. Right? Now all we're gonna do is put that salmon right on top of that. So let me get the salmon. You've already seen the salmon, so I'm not going to show you me getting the salmon off the grill. Like, that's just repetitive. I'll give it like 30 more seconds. And then, so let's put this right here. Let's put that right there. Let's focus back on the plate. Nice. Alright, so now let's introduce the salmon. And here we have the salmon. Boom. Nice. Good piece of salmon. It's like medium. And that's it. That's how we go. And there you go. Nice piece of salmon with your pasta pesto style. And the salmon is pesto style too, and that's it. Anyway, quick, simple video. something I had in mind that I've been meaning to do, and I wanted to do it for a minute now. This is JV, it's Mr. Spice, and I will see you again with the next video. Stay safe, watch yourselves out there, and I'll see you soon.